With printmaking, my favorite medium in the large medium of printmaking is relief printmaking. I do a lot of woodcuts, and one of the things I think is really beautiful about it is that you're actually carving out the wood and taking away, but then you're left with an overall image, and just the idea of taking away to get something is an interesting concept to me. My biggest inspiration for my art is I like to use animal forms a lot, and one of the things that I enjoy doing is kind of taking the muscular structure of the animals and converting that into a more mechanical feel. So when I think about these things, I'm considering how the pieces will work together and just the kind of movements that would happen if it were a 3D object instead of just a two-dimensional image. Some of my favorite animals to work with are, I like to do a lot of birds just because their wings are really fascinating to me, and it's also a family thing. Everybody in my family kind of has this interest in birds, so that's where I get a lot of the inspiration for what kind of animals I do.